everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a 2011 Mercedes E Class that it came already with the factory backup camera. That's how the screen looks like, and as you can see that those are the brackets and how it's installed in a factory spot of the 7-inch screen. So technically, by going to reverse, it shifts to OEM backup camera. If you want to add aftermarket backup camera, you can do it too. If it comes already with backup camera and navigation, it retains all those features too. This specific E-Class didn't come with navigation, only came with backup camera. By going to park, goes back to aftermarket. If you're in factory mode, it goes back to factory mode. You can go full screen for the media player that it plays from my USB that I put it in the glove box. You can search other videos on USB.
Alright, let's get to work.
Hey Roman, you freaking out?
No.
Yes you are.
Should somebody just walk me
Sound is using the auxiliary inside the car. Also it reads some OBD information such as speed of the car, mileage in the car, and the temperature outside. And we can go to the aftermarket menu. We can use the command. We can go to offline maps. We can go to apps, which online maps like Google Maps is already installed in the unit, or we can use the back button and go to FMCD, which it goes to the factory command of Mercedes. Right now I can go back to the FM or AM, and then by touching the screen I go back to the aftermarket mode. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.